Instead of having to act like me while going to work, I like me run into a cab because I'm trying to schedule posts or I post across all social media platforms. There's a simple way which you could actually schedule posts and not have to bother doing it on the day you want to post them. It's simply using Facebook or Meta Business Suite. Let me show you how to use it. Go ahead and log into your Meta Business Suite, then click on Planner. So here you click on Schedule. You can either schedule a post or a story. So you click on Schedule Post. So you schedule the date of the post. Then you can type your caption here. Then go ahead and add media, either photo or video. It appears by the right hand side after adding it. So after doing that, you can go ahead, after cross-checking, you can go ahead and schedule your post. It's going to appear on the day you schedule it, so go ahead and do it for other days.